It's here, the AI-generated content that you've been hearing so much about. You might be wondering, what is generative AI? How does it work? And what does the future hold for this incredible technology? Hey there, and welcome to our platform where we demystify emerging technologies and explore their impact on our world. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of generative AI. First things first, what is generative AI? Generative AI is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating new content such as text, images, music, or video. But it doesn't just stop there. At its core, generative AI learns from patterns and structures within datasets to generate outputs that mimic the style and substance of the content created by humans. Now let's take a closer look at how it works. Generative AI utilizes deep learning models, which are complex algorithms that enable machines to learn from vast amounts of data. One common type of deep learning model used in generative AI is a neural network, which is designed to mimic the structure of the human brain. Through multiple layers of interconnected nodes, these networks analyze and learn from input data, identifying patterns and relationships. Once trained, the neural network can generate new data based on the learned patterns, producing outputs that are similar to the style and content of the data it was trained on. Let's explore some popular tools and models in the generative AI space. GPT, developed by OpenAI, is a powerful language model that generates human-like text. DALL and MidJourney are two notable models that excel at creating realistic and imaginative images from textual descriptions. Stable Diffusion, also developed by Stability AI and others, is an open-source model that has gained popularity for its text art capabilities. It allows users to generate unique artwork by providing textual prompts. Additionally, OpenAI's Jukebox model is a text-to-music AI that can generate original music pieces in various styles and genres based on user-provided descriptions. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into the exciting applications of generative AI. In the realm of content creation, generative AI is revolutionizing the way written content is produced. With tools like ChatGPT, writers can collaborate with AI companions that help generate ideas, write articles, and even create entire scripts. The entertainment industry is also embracing generative AI with platforms like Runway and Synthesia. These platforms allow users to create short videos by inputting text prompts, opening up new possibilities for visual storytelling. Furthermore, generative AI is making waves in the art and design world. With models like DALL and Stable Diffusion, anyone can become an artist by generating unique and intricate pieces of art through textual descriptions. Even music production is not immune to the impact of generative AI. Tools like Aiva and Amper Music leveraged AI to create original soundtracks and music beds, assisting musicians and composers in their creative process. But wait, there's more. Generative AI is transforming various industries. In coding, GitHub Copilot assists developers by suggesting code snippets, accelerating the coding process. In gaming, AI companions can generate immersive storylines and environments, enhancing the gaming experience. Education and healthcare are also benefiting from generative AI. Imagine AI-powered tutors that personalize learning experiences. In healthcare, AI can assist in diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical images, potentially leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses. The possibilities are truly endless. However, it's essential to acknowledge the challenges associated with generative AI. Ethical concerns regarding bias, misinformation, and the potential for misuse need to be addressed. As generative AI models are trained on vast amounts of data, they can perpetuate and even amplify biases present in that data. It's crucial to work towards mitigating these biases to ensure fairness and equality. Another challenge is the potential for generating fake news and misinformation. As these models can produce highly convincing text and images, it becomes increasingly important to identify and flag AI-generated content to prevent the spread of misinformation. Aditya, the issue of copyright remains a gray area. As generative AI models learn from existing copyrighted material, questions arise regarding ownership and intellectual property rights. Striking a balance between innovation and copyright protection is an ongoing challenge. Despite these challenges, the future of generative AI is incredibly promising. As technology advances and more data becomes available, generative AI models will become even more sophisticated, generating outputs that are indistinguishable from human creations. This will undoubtedly transform industries, making creativity and productivity faster, more accessible, and more efficient. We hope you enjoyed this introduction to generative AI. If you have any thoughts, questions, or suggestions, please drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you're eager to learn more about other emerging technologies, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of AI. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the frontiers of technology.